Welcome to Nova, where we help you turn what you love into lasting income. Imagine doing what you're passionate about and getting paid for it. Today, we're showing you how to turn your passion into a money-making machine with real strategies that actually work. If you're ready to make money doing what you love, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing tips. 1. Discover the deeper purpose behind your passion. It's not enough to simply love something, you have to know why it matters to others. Passion becomes profitable when you find a way to make it serve people in a meaningful way. Maybe you love painting, writing, baking, or coding, but who can benefit from that skill? Think about what problems your passion solves or what value it adds. Does it entertain, educate, inspire, or simplify someone's life? Once you know the impact it can have, you've found your purpose. Purpose makes passion sustainable and scalable. You move from creating for yourself to creating for a community. This shift opens the door to monetization. 2. Document the journey before you master it. Waiting until you're perfect before showing your work is one of the biggest mistakes. People don't fall in love with perfection, they connect with authenticity. Share your behind-the-scenes moments, your learning curves, your progress. If you're starting a business, learning an instrument, or growing a garden, document the process. This transparency builds trust and a loyal following. It also sets you apart from polished content creators by being real and relatable. The act of documenting turns your personal growth into public value. Over time, your content becomes a timeline of transformation others want to follow. 3. Share what you know and charge for it. If you've spent time developing your passion, you've likely learned things others wish they knew. That makes you valuable. Even if you're not the top expert in your field, you can still guide beginners. In fact, people often learn better from someone who remembers what it's like to start from scratch. Package your knowledge into digital courses, live workshops, PDF guides, or even a subscription-based community. Start small, answer questions, offer tips, build a base. As you grow, so will the demand for your insights. Teaching not only earns you money, but it sharpens your understanding and builds authority. It also opens the door to speaking gigs, collaborations, and mentorships. 4. Create a sellable product around your passion. Turning your passion into a product makes it real, shareable, and profitable. Your product can be physical, digital, or both, whatever fits your audience. The key is to start simple and scalable. A single product can become the cornerstone of your brand. Use feedback to improve and evolve it over time. Not only does a product generate income, but it builds credibility and authority in your niche. People love to own things created with heart and meaning. It gives your audience a way to support you and engage with your work. Every product is an opportunity to turn passion into profit. 5. Build a personal brand that reflects your passion. You are more than your work, you are the message, the vibe, the reason people connect. Your voice, your style, your story are part of what makes your passion unique. In today's creator economy, personality is just as powerful as product. Don't hide behind a logo, let people see the face and voice behind the brand. Share your beliefs, struggles, and motivations alongside your content. A strong personal brand builds loyalty, trust, and emotional connection. This translates directly into engagement and sales. People don't just buy what you sell, they buy who you are. When your passion is aligned with your identity, everything feels authentic. And authenticity, more than anything, is what people pay attention to and support. 6. Stack multiple streams of passion-based income. Relying on a single income stream is risky. The smart move is to diversify how your passion makes money. You might start by selling products, then add coaching, then offer digital downloads, then land sponsorship deals. Passive income streams like affiliate marketing or courses can generate money while you sleep. Active income streams like freelance services or live events build momentum and trust. The more angles you explore, the more resilient your business becomes. Stacking streams also keeps things exciting. You're not boxed into just one way to earn. Each stream can support the others and help you grow faster. Over time, these streams form a financial safety net. And best of all, every dollar is built around something you genuinely love. 7. Build a community around what you love. Your passion doesn't have to be a solo journey. In fact, the more people you invite into your world, the stronger it becomes. Start a newsletter, a Discord group, a Facebook page, or an online community. Share resources, tips, behind-the-scenes moments, and celebrate others too. When you create a space where people feel seen and supported, they stay engaged. This isn't just about selling, it's about serving and connecting. A passionate community will cheer you on, share your work, and become your best marketing force. You'll also gain invaluable insights into what they need, want, and love. It's not just about making money, it's about making meaning together. The deeper the connection, the bigger the impact. 8. Keep evolving and learning along the way. The market changes, platforms evolve, and so should you. If you want your passion to pay long-term, you need to stay curious. Keep upgrading your skills, testing new tools, and exploring fresh ideas. Enroll in courses, attend workshops, network with people in your field. Every new skill you gain adds value to your brand and business. Staying ahead of trends gives you a competitive edge. But it's not just about business, it's about keeping the passion alive. Learning reignites the excitement that made you start in the first place. Adaptability ensures you won't be left behind. The more you grow, the more ways you'll find to turn your passion into a money-making machine. 9. Turn feedback into fuel. When you put your passion into the world, people will respond and their feedback is gold. Listen closely to what they love, what confuses them, what they wish you'd offer. Instead of taking criticism personally, use it as a growth tool. Let your audience help shape your brand. Ask questions, run polls, read your DMs and comments. People love feeling involved, and their ideas can spark your next big move. When you build based on real input, you're giving people exactly what they want. This creates deeper engagement and stronger loyalty. Feedback makes your business smarter and more responsive. Your passion becomes a collaboration, and that's where the magic happens. 10. Own your worth, then raise it. This is where most people get stuck. They love what they do, but they don't believe they can charge for it. Or they charge too little out of fear they're not good enough. But if you're creating something meaningful, helpful, or inspiring, you deserve to be compensated. Don't apologize for your prices. Don't discount your passion just because it comes naturally to you. What feels easy for you is often hard for others, and that's valuable. People don't just pay for the product or service, they pay for your time, your energy, your story. Stand firm in your value. Confidence attracts customers. The moment you start owning your worth, your income will rise to match it. You don't have to choose between passion and profit, you can have both. Now that you know how to monetize what you love, what's your first step? Drop it in the comments. And if this video sparked a new idea for your journey, hit that like button and subscribe to Nova for more inspiration and strategies to build a life you love. See you in the next video.